welcome back to my channel. Welcome any new beautiful viewers, and welcome to all my lovely established viewers. Thank you so much for all the new viewers that I've had. It's just so exciting. Thank you so much. Height of summer here in Sydney, and really humid and hot. So today I'm going to be preparing something that's absolutely delicious. It's a prawn or shrimp, an avocado, mango, red onion and coriander salad. It's also got some salad greens in it and some lovely red hot chilli. So just sit back, and if you care to see how it's made, I'll show you. Here we go. And now, let's go in and taste this beauty. Some shrimp, some lovely mango. You have to admit, that looks delicious, and the fragrance is just exquisite as well. Lovely dressing, so easy to make. And have a little bit of Australia on a plate. So let's go in. Oh my goodness. There aren't enough words. This is absolutely delicious. Do consider trying it. Beautiful flavour combination. Sweet, sour, spicy, and the seafood, just delicious. Thank you so much for watching as ever, and I'll catch you all real soon. So bye for now. Bye.